Recently, I attended Vego's very first content creator meetup. It was held in Spring, Texas for one day and Tomball, Texas the second day. Various YouTube creators and Instagrammers were invited, and your boy was one of them. So here, doing our meet and greet. This is my wife Tanya. Say hello.
Our first ever creator meeting, you met. Um, so I feel like it's time. So before we move to the rest of the day, I feel like it's gonna be very nice if you can give us a little bit about brief introduction because I know most of you guys, but you're probably haven't enough time to talk in person, know each other better. So we can have each of you talk about just about your name, where you're from, and what you feel excited, and anything you want to share with us today. So, Mark, do you want to kick it off?
Okay, g'day everyone. I'm Mark from Suburban, and let's get into it. Look, I've been doing YouTube now for 15 years, and I've little bit dabbled in Facebook and a little bit of TikTok as well. Although, being an older fella, they don't like me that much on TikTok. But I do okay on Facebook and YouTube, and I've been loving it. And the opportunity to be able to sell the message of gardening and self-sufficiency to the world really has given me much more than I've given out. And the gardening community, I think, on all social media platforms is the best because we're the most chilled, group out there. And so my comment section is very rarely filled with any hate or anything like that. It's mostly filled with all good stuff. So I've had a really easy run as a content creator and doing this full time now. Well, like I said, the last 15 years, it's been a dream job. And to be here with Veggie, to be here with Vego Garden, it's just pretty much a dream come true. And I mentioned to Robert, well, it was about 12 months ago at the
almost the same time last year in Melbourne.
I met Robert at the Melbourne Garden Show. It was really great to meet him for the first time because we'd known each other for about 4 years online, and then when you finally meet someone in the flesh, it's so good to be able to talk. It's just like we were best mates. And anyway, we were having dinner, and I said, "Have you ever thought about grabbing a bunch of creators together and having one of these type of get-togethers?" And he had said, "Yes, we've thought about it." And we didn't talk a lot about it, but then of course here we are 12 months later and he's made it all happen along with his Vego Garden team. So this is really cool and I'm looking forward to the next 2 days and checking out all the products. Yeah.
Thank you.
In this clip, Robert is discussing the creation of Vego and the history and future plans of the company. It was interesting to learn how this company was formed back in 2020, and here, 6 years later, it is the leading company in the garden field as far as raised beds and the like. Truly a inspirational story, and I'm glad to be associated with them. Smart. That box on the shelf, I mean on the steps, this is what that is.
Oh, you haven't opened.
Yeah, I haven't
I keep
opened
saying,
it yet.
why is this still here?
Because I got the place where I want to put it still has plants in it. And I like the little lights that they got, solar lights. Yeah. The trellis, these are new. Oh yeah, well this one, we have this one.
I know.
Yeah, okay. This is beautiful though, I like that.
Can get a greenhouse for sure.
Right. Berries. Berries.
I'm talking about this one right here. Small one. We got room for it.
This is the one that I had asked about. Here at Vego Farms, we're taking a tour of their products, and I must say, truly impressed with everything that they have. And I'm ecstatic about being invited. 5 years ago, when I started this journey of gardening, I never ever thought that this would be possible. Vego has made it possible, and I'm really thankful.
Oh yeah.
Orange veg, right?
So here we are at the farm, and you can see greens and onions and other type of vegetables growing.
All right.
Are you going to get some one? Go ahead, go ahead. I don't usually drink either, but go ahead, then we'll get a little bit. I don't. Yeah. Oh, he's like, you on this long countdown.
No, this is a video.
Not from our oven, like 7 minutes. And I just fall in love with it. They are garden to table, which is the concept Vego has been promoting. Everything that they cook here is sourced locally. They also have a little grocery store to sell the sourdough bread, the vegans. I come here a lot and cook for my family, and we come here for lunch. So when this time, we think, where do we go for dinner? This is the place. This is the place. And today we cover a lot of topics. We talk a lot, and we all share the our journey. Share the the Vego, myself, and also for working together. And now it's really the time that we want to have some relaxing hours and have some fun and have some good food.